Look at this P-51 Mustang! And just so you can have some audio on this, honey, it's the 4th of July, we're gonna watch fireworks on the lake, and a P-51 Mustang is no shit doing aerobatics over our boat. How fucking awesome is that? Look at this.
I'm seeing that.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Like I can't get better video on this because, you know, it's just a little camera, but he's coming straight at us. Look at him. Look at this video is awesome. Woo! That's some World War II shit right there, huh? Oh my god, that's fucking awesome. That is so fucking awesome.